Hi, I'm Zack Ritchie. I'm an illustrator and a creative thinker, and I focus in three different departments. I help brands visualize their ideas. I've turned Malta into like a cartoon, and I've also really gotten into blockchain and NFTs. My creative journey started ever since I was a kid. I would draw all the time, I went out with my family on napkins, and as I started growing older, I started realizing there's an opportunity in art. So I attended MCAS, and from that I started developing slowly. I found out about graphic design, so that's a bit of how I had started. They say you aren't a real artist unless you can draw on paper. And as much as that's true, at the end of the day, technology is the future, whether you embrace it or not. Someone who uses technology is far more efficient and far more productive than someone who does it by hand. I got into blockchain and NFTs from a friend, basically. So early in December, he had reached out to me and he had sent me an article about these NFTs, and I didn't understand them at all. And I started taking interest. I started seeing the value in it. So no longer is, for example, a JPEG just a JPEG that can be replicated. It is something that, for example, can show proof of ownership, it's verified, it's on the ledger of the blockchain, so it builds that scarcity. Tech.mt can help an artist by making them transition from being a full artist to a fully-fledged digital creator. In the sense, they will help with websites, for example, with a strategy, how to approach marketing, and they will prepare them how to take on a bigger and a more global market rather than just keeping it small and local. So they had created this online workshop, which was via Zoom, which was called Digital Shaping the Future of Art. The workshop was a collaboration between Tech.mt and ARTZ ID. And in this workshop, they brought attention towards how art and technology can work together. But it was a great workshop with high-end people from local and foreign who spoke about marketing, who spoke about artificial intelligence. NFTs was also mentioned. So I had an overall insight about a lot of different departments. And that later led to a pitch where artists who wanted to integrate technology could pitch an idea, and Tech.mt and ARTZ ID could support it. My pitch was about to connect artists and collectors together to bring them closer. An NFT, so this JPEG, you owning it, since it's transparent on a ledger, the person who owns it, you offer them incentives and perks, in the sense that if they hold it, they will get these advantages. So if they buy, they can redeem it for a print, only exclusive to these holders. But you are part of his journey because you supported him, because you gave back to him, because you got all these exclusive incentives. So this is my kind of journey, I would say. I'm trying to prove if NFTs could have a bit more utility and how that would work out. I'm super curious as a person, so if I have ideas, I just act on them. But I would say my biggest wish would be to try and grow a community of artists, push the local artists, and really try and teach them. I mean, there's nothing better than serving other people.